Just wanted to let you guys know before I start the video that I do have a gaming channel up, and I do upload to it when I can. I do upload my Twitch streams, which I do stream. You guys can check out the Twitch channel up in the cards right now. If you guys want to go subscribe to the gaming channel, just click the link in the description below and you guys can subscribe to it. I will try to start uploading actual videos on it. I just got to actually get the time to record and edit a video. I do have some BCDOJ RP videos from 5M. I have a couple of Call of Duty Cold War videos. I think I have a couple of Modern Warfare videos here as well. But yeah, if you guys want to see me upload more on the gaming channel, just go show some love to the channel and enjoy the video. What is going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on my channel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about Open Hardware Monitor. This software allows you to view your thermals and your temps on basically anything in your rig. I'm going to just show you how to download and install it. The version I have is actually just a one-time install, so you got to do is keep the folder on your desktop, and you can make a application shortcut. I can show you how to do all that as well if you guys would like. But so the first thing you want to do is you're going to go to the link in the description below. It's going to bring you to this page here. Then all you're going to do is right here, you're going to click download, and then it's going to download it. It shouldn't take very long at all. It's going to pop up in your downloads folder. And you can go ahead and get to your downloads folder right here. You can see Open Hardware Monitor. I actually have it right here as a zip folder. I did make it a zip folder, so you do not have to download WinRAR or anything. But to extract it, when you have Windows 10, you should be able to just click extract all, and then you can choose the destination path and where you want to do it. Or if you have WinRAR, you can do extract to Open Hardware Monitor, and it'll make a folder on your desktop. And then when you go ahead and click on that file, it's going to pop up with the exe file and then all this other information. So to make a application, well, essentially a shortcut on your desktop, just go ahead and click on that exe file, right click on it, click send to, and then click desktop, and then you're going to have a shortcut file. Then if you go ahead and launch it, the UAC is going to pop up. You cannot see it on my screen, but I will put an image of what it looks like on the screen. You just go ahead and click yes. This is the value, so this is what it's at currently, and then the max is what it has gotten up to. And if you would like to go to Celsius temperature unit and click Celsius, it'll click everything to Celsius. If you guys want, you can actually start minimized, so it'll show up on your computer. And then what it does is when you have it down here and you minimize it, it doesn't show up on your taskbar. All you gotta do is click here and then pop up here, and then you can just click on it. Well, I think you gotta right click on it and then do hide show, and then it'll bring you here. Or you can just X out of it completely and it will disappear off your taskbar. But yeah, guys, that's about it. So that is how you install Open Hardware Monitor, and that's how you view your temps and your CPU clock speeds and what it is running at currently. This is a very good software, especially if you're trying to troubleshoot a problem, or maybe your computer's overheating and you just want to know how high it gets. Then you could use that information to help you figure out what's going on. It'll also give you the load amount. It'll give you the amount of power it's pulling. Like right now I'm pulling 17.2 watts. It's a very helpful tool. It's free, so you do not have to pay for it. If you guys enjoy the video, please drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. Sorry for the short video, but this was kind of I couldn't come up with another video to make, so I just decided to do a video on this software. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.